Oh my gosh, so anyway, we're here at Home Depot, Lois Threlkeld here, Ladies of Justice League, where we have drills and grinders and sanders and routers and I love the paint department. Gonna need to be doing some painting, so we need to get some painting ideas because it's time for a makeover. You recognize that sound? The sound of moving lumber around on those forklift things. And they have horns. So, step stools. Now we're in the concrete and insulation, and brick, and mortar. I'm surprised that step stools are in this area, but they kind of go with ladders. Let me show you. There's Amy. That's a pretty good little step stool, huh? Has the name Anvil on it. Here, let me hold. Want me to hold this? Okay, Amy, what are we looking for here? Looks like Anvil folding step stool. And gorilla ladders. All kinds of different things. So we're going to get one of those. Oh gosh. There's some pretty serious ladders going right there. And this is, oh, these are nice. These are fiberglass ladders. And of course, they got these gorilla ladders, those step stool things. Oh wow, less than $50 and you can have those ladders. And we have, here comes an announcement. Okay, we've got our gorilla folding plastic stool. Comes in 2 pieces, and we can climb with confidence. Lois Threlkeld, Ladies of Justice League. Talk soon. Make sure you put a comment, like this video, and share it with people who need to watch what we have at Home Depot and get different ideas for different supplies and stuff. Thanks. Take care. Bye.